the Animal Museum. Let's learn something interesting about our animals. Chicken. It's surprising. Hens only lay eggs during the day. It turns out that chickens can fly, but not for a long time and not very fast. They can fly up a tree if necessary and make flights between branches. Wow! It turns out that chickens can be hypnotized. Cow. Just imagine, a cow gives 24,000 glasses of milk a year. It turns out that cows have friends, whom they usually lick when meeting. Wow! The taste of milk directly depends from what the cow ate. Dog. How sweet! Dogs smile when they need love and attention. It turns out that dogs can dream. In their dreams, they see tasty food, toys, and friends. Wow! The dogs starring in Hollywood movies sign their contracts for themselves with a print of their paw.